Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. I'm using Motorola Edge 40 Pro and now I'm going to show you top 3 bad beams for this device. On the first place in my top is Niagara Launcher, so just download it. And click open. Click agree, and great, find here your favorite apps, and here as you can see we have alphabetical line to find applications, and this way we can very quickly find any application we need. For example, if you want to find the Facebook, just drag your finger to F. Here we have Facebook, Firefox, Files and other. If you want to find the Play Store, just drag it to P, and here you will see the Play Store. Great. So cool. On the second place in my top is really beautiful Smart Launcher 6. Find it and click install. Open this app, get started. I agree, confirm, continue, confirm all, confirm, and great. So here we have really beautiful interface with really great feature of apps grouping. So as you can see here, I have contacts, internet, games, media, utilities, and settings. Here I have beautiful wallpapers gallery. It's free, completely free. So even if you don't like this launcher and you want to find beautiful wallpapers for your device, and all applications with wallpapers are paid, so you pay for it. So you can just install this launcher to find really great wallpapers for your device. Set it up because all wallpapers here are free, and you will have these beautiful wallpapers on all launchers. Great. On the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. Microsoft Launcher. Find it, click install. Click open. Get started. While using the app, allow, continue, skip, OK. Use your favorite apps, let go, and great. So here we have really great clients panel. Here we can set up our widgets. Here we can set up our favorite widgets, all widgets we need, all widgets we love. We can set up here. And it's really easy to use, and why I really appreciate this launcher is because here we have gestures. So just set up, for example, opening the calculator using swipe this 2-finger up. So just use the gest, go back to the home screen, and now when you will swipe up with 2 fingers, you will open the desired app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!